guys! I'm so excited today because I have a Japanese snack taste test and I'm here with my wonderful sister.
Hi.
This is the first video we're in together and she also has a channel, so I'll link that down below. So my whole family basically, we went to Tokyo and Osaka and Kyoto. I also have a bunch of vlogs on that which I'll link down below and will also be on my channel. So when we went there, we actually went to a convenience store on the last day and got a bunch of Japanese snacks. So we are going to taste test some of them for you now. A quick note, if you guys don't know already, green tea is a big deal there. Not only the drink itself, but even in snacks, cookies, desserts, green tea is incorporated in everything. I also got this cup of water here so we can clear our palate between each snack. Onto the snacks. Our first snack is this green tea biscuit called Quattro.
So it's basically a green tea biscuit with some chocolate filling inside.
What's unique about this cookie is the biscuit is green tea and the filling is chocolate. So on the back it has some more Japanese and it even has this handy diagram which lists what's inside. The thing about Japanese food is the packaging is so easy to open. They're individually wrapped. It's so neatly wrapped. It says Quattro on the wrapping. It's green and it's shiny and it's just gorgeous.
I'm excited to try this. Let's go ahead and open it.
Okay, so basically it's just a regular wrapping. I'm just gonna open it up. Do you need help?
No, thanks.
Okay, let's pull it out. Ooh, this is weird. Guys, look at this. On this side, it says Quattro and it's smooth green tea chocolate. And then on this side, it's just regular chocolate. And then there's a green tea biscuit on the side.
So let's go ahead and taste it. It's nothing like we've ever tasted before. There's some kind of green tea gel coming out.
It's not too sweet. It's like chocolate with the flavor of green tea and it's kind of bitter. And a lot of green tea products have an artificial taste, but this tastes like green tea, but also like a dessert. The smoothness of the chocolate, the crunchiness of the biscuit, the liquidiness of the green tea, the texture and the flavors, they all play with your tongue. It's crazy. The green tea flavor hits you first, but then afterwards it just mellows down and gets kind of sweet by the chocolate. So anything else you have to say about this product, Preeti?
Yeah, it's nothing like I've ever tasted before. I did not expect this. So this is our next snack. So as you can see, it's like a milk snack and there's a diagram right here. And there are a lot of ingredients in Japanese which we don't know, but it looks like it's made of entirely milk and the shape looks kind of like a waffle.
We're both pretty excited to try this because milk candies are kind of our favorite. I'm guessing it's going to taste kind of like condensed milk, and I think it's just so adorable that there are little cows here. And the whole packaging and color scheme is very appealing to me. It's also made by the company Kasugai, which also makes these gummy candies that I really like. It doesn't smell like anything, probably because it's wrapped.
Yeah.
And this is basically what the individual little packets look like.
It's like a miniature version of the real packet.
It looks just like the package. It's getting kind of sticky. It has these little ridges, and it's the color of condensed milk, basically.
So it does taste like condensed milk, except with a lot less sugar. And it's also hard candy. I was expecting something that melts in your mouth.
Yeah, so that was pretty good, but we've kind of gotten used to the fact that non-American candies are less sweet. But overall, it was okay. I wouldn't say it was great, but I would eat more of it. Okay, so next up we have some hard candies still, and these are fruit flavored. So we both pretty much love fruit snacks like Welch's or, you know, just a soft chewy kind, and even hard candies. So when I saw this, I definitely had to get it. On top of that, it's a flavor pack. So it has 5 different flavors, and we're just guessing this is grape, green apple. What do you think this is? The yellow one?
It's probably lemon.
And these two, which we're guessing is orange and strawberry. So yeah, I will be trying the strawberry one and she wants to try
the grape one.
And my sister just told me that this isn't strawberry but peach, but I'm still gonna try it. I can actually smell the fruit flavors. I don't know if you can, but I smell it, even though it's in the wrapping. The lemon one,
this is peach, grape,
orange,
and green apple.
I kind of don't want to ruin the packaging because it's so cute. Kind of see-through and it has little lines on it. So let's try it. Instantly, I actually taste peach, not the artificial, sugary, you know, factory-made peach flavor.
I taste a little bit of mint. Do you?
Me too, yeah. Okay, so this is really interesting because in America, I've never had a fruit snack or a dessert or anything with fruit and mint, as far as I know. Chocolate and mint, however, is a very popular combination. And if you told me before that this had mint in it, I might have been skeptical, but it's crazy, but mint and fruit actually works.
This next snack is really, really beautiful, and I feel like the packaging is so pretty because they follow the same color scheme of pink and white and dark pink. And if you can see over here, there's a small rose over there just to explain that this is rose flavored. And I've never tried rose candy. I've tried rose milk, and it was amazing. So I'm excited to see how it's going to be made into a candy.
I'm kind of skeptical of the taste because I don't really like floral flavor. On the back, I think it's just the nutrition facts and the ingredients as usual. That's interesting. It actually smells like strawberry or gum. So it's like very pastel light pink with white powder on it. I'm nervous.
This probably wasn't my favorite candy out of everything. I was actually surprised. I thought it was hard candy, but it was actually chewy. The taste was really, really strong. It didn't taste like rose candy. Instead, it tasted like we were actually eating a rose.
And it's really weird. It has a really thin, hard shell on the outside, and inside it's very chewy and soft. I probably wouldn't buy it again. Sad, but last candy. This is very interesting. Like the first cookie we had, I have absolutely no idea what this is, but it looks really interesting, doesn't it?
It does.
And it has, I think, oranges here and lime here. So I'm guessing it's definitely going to have a citrusy taste. And on the back, it has a diagram, again in Japanese. It's in these little yellow packagings.
It's very translucent.
It doesn't look like the picture at all. It's yellow on the top and a little green on the bottom and white filling on the inside. There's no dots in the white part. And it looks oval, not circular. So that was a very interesting candy. We both have different opinions on it. I think it tastes kind of like Sprite. And the texture is weird. The top and the bottom are just like hard candy, and the middle disintegrates in your mouth.
I think it tastes like Halls and medicine.
So that wasn't the worst candy, but I think it's a little better than the rose one. Okay, so to wrap this taste test up, we're just gonna mention our favorite and least favorite candies. My favorite was the first snack we had, probably because I love green tea so much and I love cookies more than hard candies. And what about you, Preeti?
This was my favorite. It had so many flavors and so many different tastes that melt in your mouth.
Bye!